So, let's grab some batteries.
Alright, so here's what we got. We got ourselves an Xbox that I have been turning on and letting run for usually about 25-30 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. And it just turns itself off, and then you can't turn it back on without plugging it back in. So, it sounds like a power state issue. Come on, rotate. Which way do you rotate? I know you rotate one of these ways. Oh wait, I have to hit the release. That's right. Which one of these is release? So we're going to take it apart. And then after we take it apart, we will give it a clean. I ordered new tweezers this morning as well, because I just need more tweezers. I don't know. I actually like this one. I don't like the one that I actually own, that I'm trying to sell still. I actually like this one a little bit more. Let's get these screws out of here. These are T9, I believe, Torx. Yeah, you would. Didn't, who was it? Was it Atari that was trying to do that? They released that retro modern case. Okay, we got some dust.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
All right, so what can I see right now besides copious amounts of dust? Lots and lots and lots and lots of dust. I guess let's start by taking this out and seeing what's going on here. Yeah, everything in here is just actually quite hot. So, more than likely we have so much dust we can't properly cool anymore. So on the bottom here you're going to have 3 screws. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that has to come out. Yeah, so that has to come out. These 2 guys need to come out. That's for the CD, the Blu-ray ROM. Alright, that's out of there. Take this panel out. So that is the cover. Try and keep all of our screws together. That is that. Here we go. This is what I wanted. So you can see there's quite a bit of dust on there. We'll have to get that cleaned up, and it's just coming off of here. Now this ribbon cable here goes to that. So we need to make sure we remove yeah. I would say dust is our problem. Because that's one solid piece of dust. So, the real moment of truth, and we know this is going to be bad. But, like, yeah. I actually don't think it's the video card overheating. I think it's the power supply overheating. Because that's the intake for the power supply. We're going to start by vacuuming with my now super clean vacuum. We got bugs. There were bugs in here at some point. Now we're going to hit it with a compressor. All done. All right. Back down it goes. I wonder if this is a refurbished Xbox, because there's just like weird damage here and there on this thing. So just like this cable is supposed to just go in there. Yeah, and this stuff just, and the actual poles just keep coming off. Alright, so that is sitting in there correctly. Alright, get this slid back in there. Put our big screw back in. Not a fan of this design as far as the cooling is concerned. The base regular old S has a little bit better cooling characteristics than this. You know, Carrion, I'm gonna have to hard disagree on that. I think the things that they did in pursuit of performance on that were not the right idea. And I think they are subpar. I don't think either of the systems are a good fit. Yeah, okay, yeah, case design, I'll give you case design was a better idea. It's still one giant fan trying to cool the whole thing. And like on the, like if this was the PS5 cooler is here, everything is over here. And then they used a giant copper pipe to move the air around. Something about that cable that's bothering me, and I don't know what it is. All right, so we got 2 more black screws. So the temperature that I was feeling was right here, so that was the power supply, 100%. All right, let's put these bottom screws back in. The best case for any of these consoles would be a giant fan. We're just going to snap this on here temporarily. Make sure everything still starts up and works. Why power button no worky? Did I not plug something back in? Pretty sure I plugged everything back in. What's going on here? That's plugged back in. That's for down there. That's plugged back in. That is plugged back in. It's not this. What happened to this thing? I think we found the lowest common denominator of failure on this thing. As far as where problems happen. Is there any other? Is it literally all of that and it's just 2 pins? To find the best way to actually work on this thing. Other problem is I'm not really able to see inside there because I don't have I need to get a ring light for this thing at some point. Unless those are supposed to be on the bottom. I'm wondering if that's what that is. And that's the clamping force. Yeah, that's what the problem is then. It's supposed to go down. Yeah, the right side is completely missing. So needs to go down like that. So that needs to go in there on top of those 2 things. I think so. Yeah, definitely looks like someone's been in here before. Not to clean it though, that's for darn sure. What would I do without you, Tech? Okay, yeah. Alright, so that's 100% what it was then. Yeah, look how... Jeez, man. Great design, Microsoft. Like, this one is supposed to lift. I'm wondering if someone was in here before if they didn't realize it. This one is a lift. This one is a push because it's the same as this. That's what that's supposed to look like. All right, let me start getting this thing all the way back.
All right, now we'll let this thing spin. Like on the sides is where it was getting super hot. We're not getting there hot. We're not getting hot there yet. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.